How to change a hotspot name on an iPhone. Here's how. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Look for the option Personal Hotspot and click on it. Notice there is no direct option to change the hotspot name here. Only the password can be changed. The hotspot's name is actually the same as your iPhone's name. To change, go back to the main Settings menu. Tap on General. Select the About option. At the top, you'll see your iPhone's name. Tap on it to edit. Enter a new name for your iPhone, like Inside iOS. You can use emojis as well. Tap Done to save. Go back to the Personal Hotspot setting, and under the Password section in quotes, you will see the new name. Or with another device, check the Wi-Fi settings for your updated hotspot name. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick tips.